Bonjour tous, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see about the when words we are going to see. Like currently, soon, already, like that we can see that words, and let's get started to see that and subscribe for more great videos. And what you say when in French? That is quand. Quand means when in French. Actuellement. Actuellement, currently. Bientôt, bientôt, soon. Déjà, déjà, already. Encore, encore, still or again. Fréquemment, fréquemment, frequently. Jamais, jamais, never. Plus tard, later. Rarement, rarement, rarely. Soudain, soudain, suddenly. Tout, early. Après-demain, après-demain, after tomorrow. D'abord, d'abord, first. Demain, demain, tomorrow. Enfin, enfin, finally. Year, yesterday, puis, then, souvent, often, toujours, always, aujourd'hui, today, avant-hier, day before yesterday, de nouveau, again, ensuite, then, immédiatement, immediately, maintenant, now, quelquefois, sometimes, régulièrement, regularly, tard, late. Now you can see some sentence based on this. D'abord, je me lève. First, I get up. Ensuite, je prends une douche. Then, I take a shower. Quelquefois, je me lave les cheveux. Sometimes, I wash my hair. Je me brosse toujours les dents. I always brush my teeth. Maintenant, je suis au cours. Now, I am in class. Avant-hier, je suis allé au gym. The day before yesterday, I went to gym. That's all the words. You can create many like it. And now we have been read all the words of that, when all the words we have been learned, and we have been learned how to use in sentence. And now we came here, that is like to find, you have to find that I'm going to tell in English. For example, now I'm going to tell you now 5 seconds to answer for you, 5 seconds that you have to tell in French. That is we are going to do. And the first word is rarely. What do you say rarely in French? That is rarement. Rarement means rarely. What do you say always in French? That is toujours. Toujours means always. What do you say soon in French? Bientôt. Bientôt means soon in French. What do you say later in French? Plus tard. That means later. What do you say never in French? That is jamais. Jamais means never. What do you say still or again in French? That is still or again. That is encore. Encore means still or again. What do you say already in French? That is Déjà. Déjà means already in French. And that's all for today's, guys. It is the ensuite, puis, then many words are there that you use can if someone is telling to speak about a topic the weekend, then you can say je vais à la plage, ensuite that après, do you have time, that après, after, do you have to think something to say, that time you have some time to answer the examiner, so that it will be too easy. Speak about your city, speak about your life, routine, quotidian, weekend. There are many topics, guys. We will see in future videos. I think you've been like this video. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from our channel. And see you guys, this only I've been covered. Au revoir, a bientôt. See you in the next amazing video, and then subscribe for more videos.